some basic interview tips for private and government sector. So let's get started with the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Himani Sharma. In today's video I am going to tell you about some basic interview tips for private and government sector. So let's get started with the video. So for government sector, understand the mission and values. In government agencies often have specific mission and values that guide their work. Research the agency thoroughly to understand its goals and how your role contributes to achieving them. So first thing is that you have to understand the mission and values of the organization. Second one is familiarize yourself with regulations and policies. Depending on the position, you may be asked about your understanding of relevant regulation or policies. Take time to familiarize yourself with any applicable laws or guidelines. So you have to take time to familiarize yourself with any applicable laws or guidelines. So third one is highlight public service motivation. Government agencies typically seek candidates who are motivated by public services and making a positive impact on society. Be prepared to discuss your commitment to serving the public interest. So second point is that you have to keep in mind is highlight public service motivation. So come to the third point. Fourth, that is emphasize transferable skills. While technical skills are essential, also emphasize transferable skills such as communication, problem solving, and teamwork. These skills are valuable in government roles where collaboration and effective communication are often crucial. So, fourth thing is that you have to emphasize transferable skills. The abilities you have, like you are good communication skills, problem solving, and you have the ability of to do teamwork. Now come to the fifth point, that is prepare your behavioral interviews. Government interviews often include behavioral questions that ask about a specific situation you have encountered in previous roles. Use the STAR method. You have to use the STAR method to identify the things like situation, task, action, and result. These are the four things that you have to keep in mind to structure your responses and provide concrete example. So these are this is the STAR method you have to keep in mind while you are going for the interview. Now sixth point is be aware of security clearance requirement. Some government position require security clearance. Be prepared to discuss your eligibility for clearance and any past experience relevant to security concern. Now this is all about the government sector. Now come for the private sector. In private sector you have to follow these tips. For private sector, number one is research the company's industry. Research the company industry. In the private sector, it is crucial to understand not only the company you are interesting with, but also the broader industry landscape. Stay informed about industry trends, competitors, and challenges. You have to know about the company trends, competitors, and challenges. Now come to the second point, that is demonstrate your fit with company culture. Now you have to see that you are fit for the company culture or not. Now in this you have to know private companies often prioritize culture fit when hiring. Research the company culture through its website, social media, and employee review. Be prepared to demonstrate how your values align with the company's culture. So you have to research on these parameters while you have to go for interview in private companies. So the point you have keep in mind, like research the company culture through its website or social media and employees review. Now come for the next point, that is highlight achievements and result. Private sector Employers are typically interested in candidates who can deliver results and contribute to the company's bottom line. So they these are the some parameters that they want, like highlights specific achievements and quantifiable results from your past experience. You have some past experience also mandatory in, like when you are go for the private sector interview, then you have some past experience also. In some companies they are, this is mandatory. Now come for the quote, that is showcase your adaptability and innovation. Private companies value candidates who can adapt to change and contribute innovative ideas. Be prepared to discuss times when you are adapted to new situation or propose innovative solution to challenges. So when you come in new area or new place, you have to ability that you can adapt easily in the environment. Also you have some leadership quality. So these are main thing while you are go for the interview in private sector. Now come for the uh, now come for the private sector interviews. These we have already covered. Now come for be ready for negotiation. Private sector job offer involves negotiation, especially regarding salary and benefits. Research typically salary ranges for similar roles in your industry and can be prepared to negotiate confidently. So you have to you have also ability to negotiate the situation. Also private job offer often involve negotiation, especially regarding your salary and benefits. So you are uh, ready for that. Now come to the next point, that is highlight your entrepreneurial script if relevant. If you are interviewing for a startup or entrepreneurial company, emphasize your entrepreneurial mindset, creativity and willingness to take initiative. If you are interviewing for a startup and these like company, emphasize yourself entrepreneurial mindset, creativity and willingness to take initiative. So this is the basic tip for private and government sector companies. I hope this video is informative for you all. So thank you.